Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Curious how to smoothly blend images together in Canva? I'll show you step by step. Click Create to start a new project. Select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels for this demonstration. Next, navigate to the Elements tab. Browse available backgrounds or click Graphics for more options. In the search bar, type Flower Background to find suitable images. Choose your favorite graphic to add it to your canvas. Select this background, then release it. Click to add the background to your design. This will apply the selected background to your current project, ensuring your design updates immediately with the new look. Proceed to customize as needed. Go to the Graphics section again, then search or browse to find the flower image. Select this option from the list, then navigate to the Apps section. This allows you to easily access the available applications and manage your installed apps as needed for further customization or updates. Locate the Blend Image option within the interface. This feature allows you to combine multiple images together for a seamless and cohesive final result. Click the Create Blend Image button here to generate a new blended image from your selected source images. Select this image as the main image for your project. Next, choose the second image to use as the bottom layer. This setup ensures the main image appears above the bottom layer in your design. Here, select the name node from the options available. That's the reason I'm using the Multiply Overlay screen to clearly display the choices and help you see how to pick the right node for your project within the interface. You can choose different colors, styles, and velocities for your object. To do this, select the desired options from the toolbar. Once you've made your selections, click the Apply button to see the changes take effect immediately in your project. Click the Add Page button on the side to create a new page. Next, insert the sign by selecting it from the Elements panel. Then, upload or choose the image you want and place it onto the new page. Here is the old image, and here is the new image. To save your work, click the Share button, then choose Download. For higher quality, use the size options to increase the dimensions. To download only the new version, select Page 2. Click Done to confirm your selection. Now, click Download to save the updated image to your device with the adjustments applied. Now you know how to blend images in Canva. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more handy design tips.